Alright guys, so there's been a lot of controversy in the recent v10.2 update concerning turbo building. Now, a lot of pro players are getting very annoyed at this because it's gone from 0.05 seconds to 0.15 seconds, which is a huge difference. Let me show you an example of this if it was in a real game. So I'm going to build myself a box, and if Ewan shoots me with the minigun while I'm turbo building, you can see that every shot, well, 1 in 3 shots went through. Now, although this seems bad, there's actually a really easy fix. So what you do is you click escape, or if you're on controller, you click the controller equivalent to escape. You go onto settings, then you'll see this big X here, and you're just going to click that and then confirm. Now you'll be directed to your home screen here. And you're going to click Fortnite, and you're just going to click delete. And that should be it, guys. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll be sure to help you out if you have any concerns or queries.